So again, long. So I've created a redirect. You can go to creatorcourses.com/go/tunein. You should see that on the screen now. And that'll take you to this URL. And unlike iTunes and Stitcher, we don't necessarily need to create a TuneIn account to submit our podcast. We just need to fill out this form. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. You'll notice after language, the other fields are not required, but they are probably helpful. The station email is the same as my email address, so I'm going to leave that out as well as my phone number. And again, I will just list my personal Twitter account here. So I'm going to click I accept and agree to the terms of service. I'm going to send that email. And now it is in TuneIn's hands. Once again, they will review the podcast to make sure everything is good, and they will email us.